Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I would like to express business loan requirements, how to qualify for a business loan. Some major requirements are required for a business loan. Taking out a business loan, whether to cover the payroll or purchase inventory, can provide financing to help in difficult times, improve your cash flow, grow your business, while each lender has its own rules. There are common business loan requirements you should be aware of when preparing to apply. Business and personal credit scores. When you submit a business loan application, lender will typically review both your personal and business credit scores to assess the risk you pose. While a bad personal credit score can hurt your chances of approval, a good personal credit score can improve your loan approval odds and help you secure a lower interest rate. What is considered a good or bad personal credit score varies according to the credit scoring model a lender uses and its own guidelines. One of the most widely used credit scoring model, FICO, range from 300 to 850, while score below 580 are considered bad. A score of at least 670 is considered good. Although minimum credit score requirement vary, some outline lenders may approve you for a business loan with the personal credit score as low as 500. A traditional lender like a bank may require you to have minimum score as high as 680. Similarly, the personal credit score, what is deemed a good or bad business credit score, also vary based on the credit scoring model or lender use. One of the most popular business credit score model, Dun & Bradstreet, PADEX, range from 0 to 100. A good score range from 80 to 100. A bad business credit score range from 0 to 49. Annual business revenue and profit. Lender often have minimum annual revenue requirement and some have minimum monthly revenue requirement too. To confirm your business earning, a lender will request your business bank statement and income tax return. You can upload your bank statement manually or allow a lender to connect to your bank and analyze your statement if available. In addition, some lender may ask to see your profit and loss statement to determine if you have enough positive cash flow to afford your loan. Time in business. Business that have been in operation for longer have a greater chance of loan approval, while minimum time requirement vary. It's common for traditional lenders to require you to have at least 2 years in business. Online lenders often require applicants to be in business for at least 6 months to a year. However, this requirement may vary depending on the specific type of business financing. For example, with invoice factoring, while involving selling unpaid invoices to a factoring company, a lender may require that you have been in business only for 3 months. Debt to income ratio. Some lender will review your debt to income ratio to determine whether you can afford to take a additional debit. Your DTI ratio weight your monthly debit against your gross income. You can calculate the DTI ratio by dividing your monthly debit by your gross income. For example, if your monthly debit is 1 lakh and the gross income is 20,000, your DTI ratio is 50%. If your monthly debit is 10,000 and gross income is 20,000, your DTI ratio is 50%. The higher your DTI ratio, the greater your risk is as a potential borrower. While minimum DTI requirement vary by lenders, it's good idea to keep your DTI ratio at or below 43%. Debt service coverage ratio. Another ratio some lenders consider it debt service covering ratio, which measures your business annual net operating income in relation to its total annual debit. Remember, annual net operating income is another way to say earning before interest, taxes, deduction and authorization. To calculate your DSCR, dividing your business EBITDA by its total annual debit. For instance, if EBITDA is 1 lakh and its total annual debit including the business loan you are applying for 80,000, the DSCR is 1.25. A ratio greater than 1 show a lender your business will likely have enough income available after expense. Thank you guys. For latest update, please like and share my YouTube channel. Thank you.